So you thought it would be a good idea to rearrange the fridge, huh? Now what are you gonna do? Now you're gonna put it all back where you found it? That one was kind of hard to put up there, wasn't it? Well, you did a really good job. Look at you, got them all standing up. Now you're going to try to put them back. You're not doing too shabby. You're doing pretty good. Guess what though, buddy? We're letting all the cold air out. So we better let Dada help you finish. Alright, Terak, you did a good job. You're pretty serious. Doing serious business, aren't you? Serious business arranging the fridge. Alright. You did really good picking the perfect one to go in different spots. Alright, Terak, good night, buddy.